All right. Today on Repairs 101, we're going to take a little swim in the toilet tank. I'll talk about some different leaks you might have, what you can do about a cracked toilet tank, and some different things you can try if your toilet won't stop running. This episode of Repairs 101 is sponsored by Princess Auto. While you suit up in whatever personal protective equipment makes you comfortable with this job, I'll say that not all toilets are the same, and yours may look very different from this. Okay, you walk into the bathroom and there's water on the floor. Well, you hope it's water. Could be condensation off the tank. Or maybe it's the supply valve leaking or the inlet valve coupling. If it's the gasket between the tank and the bowl, you can try tightening it, but unless it's a new toilet, it's likely too corroded to make a difference. If the toilet is unstable and moves around, the mounting bolts need to be looked at before checking the closet flange. Replace the wax seal if you disturb it. If you have a cracked toilet tank, you can stop that leak with some JB Water Weld. Just follow the directions. I repaired this one more than 10 years ago. If your toilet is running, it may be that the flush valve chain is wrapped around or caught under the flush valve. This is why jiggling the handle sometimes works. So to prevent that from happening, just take half of a plastic drinking straw and thread it over the chain. If the float ball has water in it, you must replace it. You can tell by how low it sits in the water or by unscrewing it and giving it a shake. The float rod is soft by design, so anyone can bend it to lower the water level or to prevent the ball from contacting the tank wall. If the toilet runs because the bypass is pouring water into the overflow, you'll need a new inlet valve. All you need is an adjustable wrench and a rag. This jumper hose on the bypass gets clipped to the overflow tube above the high water line. Otherwise, it will keep the valve open. The mouth of the overflow tube should be about an inch above the high water line. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And hey, if you learned something today, feel free to check out any of these other informative Repairs 101 videos that might interest you.